वर काय लिहिलंय त्याच्या मला जस्ट सांग. बोला तुम्ही युट्यूब ओपन तुमच्या इथे मी त्या माझ्या चॅनलला जाते. आपण लाईव्ह आहोत. सो सेजल बोलू नका काही कारण कालच्या जे सगळं recording is started, no? नहीं recording start करा. कॉपी कीजिए. झाली. जॉइन करना. So let us start today. Yesterday I had given you a lot of homework. I remember that. You must have done it. Yes. Okay. And you are having a few doubts in sum number 12 and 13, right? Okay. What's your doubt? You are not able to do it. Let us do it. ठीक. एकच minute. Okay, now the sum is K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. M is another place and that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. T is yet another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from M. In which direction is T located in relation to P? ट्राय केलं सम का केलंच नाही. तू केलंस का? हा आता हे काय माहितीये का आपण कालपर्यंत ज्या फिगर्स काढत होतो ना दोज वर नॉर्मल की आधी लेफ्ट जायचंय मग राईट जायचंय. आता इन दिस केस व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू इज see now K is a place which is located 5 so suppose K is over here. This is our point K. This is the 12th sum which we are solving. 12th sum from exercise 10A. So this is our, let's say, K. Okay, from K which is 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. So where will be P? P च्या northwest direction मध्ये. So P will be somewhere over here. So ही झाली northwest direction. बरोबर? Now I am going to join P and K. This distance is given to us as 2 kilometers. Then next काय है? R is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction. So southwest direction from where? From K. K पासन southwest direction. So इथे परत आहे R which is 2 kilometers. Next काय दिलाय त्यांनी? M is another place and that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. Northwest direction म्हणजे we have to go up. इथे आहे आपला M. Okay. in which direction is T located in relation to P? So M to T the distance काय दिला त्यांनी? In the southwest direction. So M पासून you have to go southwest. From M southwest म्हणजे this direction. So this is your T. So question is, in which direction is T located in relation to P? So what do you think, which direction? What is the question first? Question is, what is the relation between P and T? P cha T lies on which side? So that's the correct answer. Answer आहे का? So the answer for 12th question is C, west. Understood? Please write it down. Write it down. Okay. Wait. Not ordinary annuity. So this is question related to the previous exercise. Now let us do sum number 13 after this. Please write down, all of you. Don't sit and laugh in front of me. It is very rude. I hope you understand that. Okay, now the 13th one. 13th one. 13th one point is a bit different. So what did I do first? I read the entire problem. Steps. How to go about it. Read the entire problem. Then start with some point. Okay. But they will give you relation. This point lies here with related to the other point. So that is your main point. So with related to that, we started from K. But K is not the point which we require over here. So K, we had to start with P. Why? Because they have given that P lies in the or PK northwest में lies K. So I started with P then. PK northwest में. So I went in this direction. So you will have to decide your starting point at some point. आणि तो कसा पण येऊ शकतो. म्हणजे this is not a normal figure which we used to draw, but that's fine. Okay. Now let us start with the 13th sum. Written down, everyone. Always remember, you have to find out what question is asked. So related to that question, you will be able to answer. So let us do the 13th one now. 13th sum. Babu is Rahim's neighbor and his house is 200 meters away in the northwest direction. Joseph is Rahim's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the southwest direction. Gopal is Joseph's neighbor and he stays 200 kilometers away in the southeast. Roy is Gopal's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters in the northeast. Then where is the position of Roy's house in relation to Babu's? That's the question. So now let us start with the starting. Who is given at the starting? Babu. Babu is whose neighbor? Rahim's. So let us say this is Babu, B. Babu and Rahim are neighbor. So let's say this is R, Rahim. They are neighbors. Okay. And his house is 200 meters in the northwest direction. So I have taken this as northwest. So 200 is the distance. Then Joseph is Rahim's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the southwest. So southwest from this point. So that will become this point. This is your southwest direction. So this is going to be Joseph. This is again 200. Next is Gopal is Joseph's neighbor and he stays 200 meters away in the southeast. So where will I place Gopal now? Southeast. यहाँ पे this will be Gopal. This will be Gopal and then Roy is Gopal's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters in the northeast direction. So northeast यानी this direction. somewhere here, is Roy. This is Roy. Answer is Roy's house is in which direction compared to Babu's? East, west, बापरे, साउथ ईस्ट वरनं डायरेक्ट नॉर्थ वेस्ट कसं होईल? साउथ ईस्ट, correct? So that is option A. So understood? So I think now we are going to start with a new chapter from blood relations. Okay. More two questions are there. Tell me. 24th. Okay, we'll solve the 24th one as well. First, I'm clearing all the doubts, and then we will moving to the next. So this is your 24th. Just a minute. Any other doubt after 24th? Okay. If A stands on his head with his face towards north, in which direction will his left hand point? So suppose, which is my north direction, tell me. And if A stands on his head with his face towards the north, means right now my face is imagine that I'm standing upside down. Okay. Now where will his left hand point to? Exact opposite. So answer is east, option C for the 24th one. Come tomorrow at 10:30. Okay. I'll explain you your doubts also. Yeah. First we'll do doubts. Then we'll start. Now let us go to 28. A walks southwards, then turns right, then left, and then right. In which direction is he from the starting point? ह्याचा diagram काढलाय का? Is the diagram drawn? Okay, तुम्ही आधी वाचा. Please read the sum number 28. Try to understand the meaning, then I'll explain. So क्या दिया है? What all is given? A walks southwards, then turns right. So if A walks starting from here, A walks from a point A, समजा this is point A, and towards the south to point B. So A walks towards the south to point B. This is 24th sum. Sorry, 28th sum. Sorry. 28th sum. He turns right and goes towards west to point C. So at this point, he is going to turn to his right. Means he'll turn which side? Your left. Your left is your right or your left? Your left. So that means my म्हणजे इकडे. This is point C. He turns left and goes towards south to point D. So from here he is going to turn left. So this is my left. He goes to point D. He turns right and goes towards west. So now they have asked you, A is in which direction from the starting point? So from the starting point, A is in the So basically A is our starting point, no? So where are we right now? To the south of A. So south is the correct answer. Option 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 A for the 28th sum. Okay, so all the doubts are solved. Everything, everybody has done the homework as well, right? Okay. So let us move to the next part of logical reasoning, that is blood relations. Now I have already told you that logical reasoning comes for 20 marks generally on an average. So 5 marks for each topic. There are 4 topics in logical reasoning. We have done with number coding, decoding, direction test. Now this is our third topic, that is blood relations. Actually, it is very interesting topic. So let us go to blood relations. Now, tell me what is the definition of blood relation, or you can read it from your textbook. A person who is related to another by birth rather than by marriage. Okay. So now husband and wife, they are not blood related because they are related to each other by marriage. Okay. So who will be the blood relation? Mother, father, brother or sister. Also grandfather, grandmother. Not necessary. मामाची भावंड जर असतील तर तुमचं ब्लड रिलेशन आहे का? आहे का? मामाची नॉट भावंड आय मीन तिथे मामाची मुलं म्हणजे तुमचे कझिन्स. सो आर दे रिलेटेड टू यू बाय ब्लड? येस और नो? Correct. Is he related to you? What is the relation? He is your, no, that person, he is your, ha, Siley ma'am. Okay. So now the prerequisite which they have given in the textbook is you should know the relations of from your paternal side. Okay. So your father's father will be your grandfather. Father's mother is your grandmother. Father's brother is your uncle. Father's sister is your aunt. So who is father's sister? Atya. In Hindi, who is your father's sister? Bua. Correct. Okay. Next is children of uncle. Children of uncle are cousins. Okay. Then wife of uncle, aunt. So wife of uncle in Hindi में क्या बोलते हैं बोलो? Chachi. Huh? Okay. Next is children of aunt. So children of aunt are your cousins again. So all your brothers and sisters, either from the maternal side or from the paternal side, they are your cousins. Then husband of the aunt. Husband of aunt को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? नहीं, हिंदी में. So understood? So husband of aunt म्हणजे in मराठी आत्याचे mister. Okay? So we call him as Kaka only in Marathi. Alright. Now let us go to the relations from your maternal side. So mother's father is maternal grandfather. Mother's mother is maternal grandmother. Mother's brother is maternal uncle, mama. Or in Hindi, mamas, na? Mama. ठीक है. Then mother's sister, your maushi, aunt. Hindi में mausi. And children of the maternal uncle are the cousins. Wife of maternal uncle is maternal aunt. That is your. मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात वाईफ ऑफ मॅटर्नल अंकलला? माहितीये? नक्की ना? त्याला काहीतरी एक शब्द आहे. वाईफ. वाईफ. माझा प्रश्न काय होता सांगा बरं? व्हॉट वॉज माय क्वेश्चन? which I asked you. Wife of maternal uncle in Hindi. आधी in English काय म्हणतो आपण wife of maternal uncle, maternal aunt. Okay. In Marathi we call as काका only. म्हणजे मावशीचे मिस्टर नाही सॉरी मामा. So basically mama's spouse, that is mami in Marathi, and in Hindi mami. Okay. So you have understood this maternal side, paternal side done. Okay. Now you must be wondering why I am taking these basic things also, because I don't want you to get confused. Okay. So that's why. So we are going to read this also. We are going to give you in this manner. Grandfather's son is your father or uncle. Grandmother's son will be your father or uncle. Grandfather's only son will be your father. Grandmother's only son, again your father. Mother or father's mother is grandmother. Son's wife is daughter-in-law. Daughter's husband is son-in-law. Son-in-law याने correct. In Marathi, Zavai. In Hindi, Jamai. Correct. So next, brother's son is your nephew. Brother's daughter is niece. सो मराठीमध्ये काय म्हणतात नेफ्यू आणि नीसला? आणि व्हाट इज योर अंकल और आंट सन और डॉटर कॉल्ड एज? पुतण्या. सो हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? चाचा नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं. ठीक. So remember this. तेवढे नाही आहेत. Okay. All right. Now sister's husband is brother-in-law. Brother's wife is sister-in-law. And grandson or granddaughter's daughter is your great-granddaughter. Great-granddaughter म्हणजे पंटू, पंटी. करेक्ट? इन हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? नहीं पता. Okay. Now this is very easy. क्या बोलते हैं? पंटू, पंटी, परपोता और परपोती. Okay. Thank you. All right. So now this is very easy. Now see, look at the wordings. Now they will change the wordings. My mother's or father's son is my brother. My mother's or father's son is my brother. My mother's or father's daughter is my sister. My mother or father's father is grandfather. Mother or father's sister is aunt. My mother or father's brother is my uncle. My son's wife is daughter-in-law. My daughter's husband is son-in-law. My brother's son is my nephew. Brother's daughter is my niece. My sister's husband is my brother-in-law. My brother's wife is my sister-in-law. My husband or wife's sister is my sister-in-law. My husband or wife's brother is brother-in-law. My uncle or aunt's son or daughter is my cousin. So always remember, in English, both from the paternal side and maternal side, they are going to be your cousins only. And my wife's father or husband's father is my father-in-law. My wife's mother or husband's mother is my mother-in-law. And my father's wife is mother. My mother's husband is my father. My son or daughter's son is my grandson. My son or daughter's daughter is my granddaughter. Understood? Okay. Now let us see the different type of questions which are asked. But before that, I want you to write down a few points. Okay. Now सबको family tree क्या होती है पता है? What is a family tree? Suppose we have to draw a family tree. Okay, write down rules for drawing family tree. Rules for drawing family tree. First rule, females represent females by circles. Write down, represent females by circle. Represent females by circle. Second, use a horizontal line. Use a horizontal line to connect spouse. Second point, use a horizontal line to connect spouse and a vertical line. I'll repeat rule number 2. Use a horizontal line to connect spouse and a vertical line to show parent-child relationship. Use a horizontal line to connect spouse and a vertical line to show parent-child relationship. And a vertical line to show parent-child relationship with children positioned below their parents. With children positioned below their parents. Again, I'll repeat. Use a horizontal line to connect spouses and a vertical line to show parent-child relationship with children positioned below their parents. With children positioned below their parents. Next point, third point, place older generations above younger ones. Place older generations above younger ones. Place older generations above younger ones. हाँ, so कितने points हो गए हमारे? Only 3 points. Okay. Now let us go to a example and try to draw with the help of family tree. Now this is the first question. Now always remember, while solving these type of questions, always refer to these rules and draw a diagram. You will get a correct answer. Because right now initially the questions will be very simpler. But when they start becoming complex, this family tree is going to help you. So draw a diagram compulsory. First step. Now this is the first question. So this one, A is B's daughter and B is C's mother. D is C's brother. So how is D related to A? That is the question. Now first sentence. So now read the sentences carefully. Convert them into simpler forms. Now A is B's daughter. So well, आता daughter है म्हणून I am going to represent her in a circle. Now A is B's daughter. B is C's mother. So B is C's mother. So यानी where will I place C? See, the question is B is C's mother. Correct. So B is C's mother है. So she is also a female. And I will draw C over here. Correct? Next. D is C's brother. D is C's brother. So I have told you brothers are marked on the same level. Hmm. Now, since A is the daughter of B, that means A is related to C and D also. So they are going to be siblings. Hmm. So now our question is, how is D related to A? So D is the brother of A. Easy from this diagram. So draw these diagrams so it will become helpful to you. Always remember, place the same generation on at one level and the older generations above you, younger generations below you. Huh? Now I can see faces of many students, but you know, this method is going to help you because this is a foolproof method of getting full marks in blood relations. So follow this technique and you will be able to solve all the questions. Okay. All right. So now let us go to. So now I want you to draw the second diagram, all of you. P is Q's brother, R is Q's mother, S is R's father, and T is S's mother. So how is P related to T? So please draw this diagram. This is the only way in which you can get full marks. Remember, all 5 marks you will get if you solve by this method. R is Q's mother, S is R's father. S is R's father. So father I am going to place above R. Then T is S's mother. T is S's mother. And how is P related to T? How is correct? Easy. So I think in this way, please go through all the solved examples first. I'll give you some time. Please go through all the solved examples from the book and then we will start with the exercise. There are total only 15 sums. Okay, there are 15 solved examples. So each and every solved example, try to do it in this way. That will help you. I'll just give you 5 to 10 minutes. Please complete this part. Please go through the solved examples once. So first and second are done. Now the third one. A is B's brother. C is D's father. E is B's mother. A and D are brothers. So how is E related to C? So E is the wife of C. That is the question. And generally spouses now show by double-headed arrows. So you understand they are spouses. Otherwise they are siblings. That will help you. So now let me explain this. The third question. A is B's brother. So let me draw it over here. So A is B's brother. Third one. Third solved example. A is B's brother. C is B's father. Okay. E is B's mother. E is B's mother and C is D's father. Okay. So this is still A and D are brothers. So A and D are also brothers. And how is E related to C? And C is D's father, no? So show by double-headed arrows. So that means they are couple or spouse. And now the question is, how is E related to C? C. So E is the wife of C. Question कसा विचारला आहे? Question is asked as, how is E related to C? म्हणजे E ही C ची कोण आहे? Wife. So the answer is wife. So always show spouses by double-headed arrows. So you understand that they are not siblings. They are either husband or wife. And we know all the females are in circles only. So you understand that. Okay. Okay, now the fourth one. I want to see everyone's diagram of the fourth one. Let me see how you do it. Fourth question. जमतंय का? समजलं? बघू मला कोण? पण बी हे हा मेल आहे का फिमेल आहे तिच्याचा? सन ऑफ पण बी कोण आहे आपल्याला नाही माहिती. आणि विचारलं काय हाऊ इज बी रिलेटेड टू ए? दिलंय का? सन ऑफ बी. What is the father? So how are B and आता how is B related to A असं विचारलं. B and A. So basically father. He's the brother of C असं दिलंय. काय बुक मध्ये पण देतील. त्यांनी काय दिलंय बघा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शन्स गिवन वी आर लेफ्ट विथ नो चॉईस. सो वेन सिलेक्ट बट सिलेक्शन ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. म्हणजेच मी हे परत परत सांगते की मदर आहे का फादर आहे दॅट इज नॉट गिवन. यू हॅव टू अज्युम. सो हा सो फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑप्शनच्या इथे ए ऑप्शन if it was father then you should have selected father because the gender is not given. Gender of D is not given. So तुम्ही जसं सॉल्व कराल त्याप्रमाणे टिक करा. बोथ आन्सर्स विल बी करेक्ट. मी तेच म्हटलं. पाचवं सांगू? नाही जमत आहे? ओके. So let me tell the fifth from the module. Draw the diagram again. B is the brother of A. B हा A चा brother आहे. Whose only sister is the mother of C. So whose only sister म्हणजे कोण असणार आहे? B ची ओनली सिस्टर A ही रहेगी. A is his sister. And उसकी मदर है C. D is the maternal grandmother of C. Maternal grandmother. आजी नाही. D is the maternal grandmother म्हणजे D परत फिमेल. How is A related to D? Grandmother. Again here A म्हणजे we are assuming that A is the daughter ना here. So how is A related to D? How is A related to D ना? नाही ते हे चुकलंय. प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक चुकलंय. सो याचा आन्सर काय अज्युम करा माहितीये का? दॅट ए इज द सो हाऊ इज ए रिलेटेड टू डी? आन्सर शुड बी ग्रँड डॉटर, ग्रेट ग्रँड डॉटर. सायली मॅम आपल्या मॉड्यूल मध्ये किती चुका आहेत? आणि त्या दरवर्षी तशाच असतात. देर इज नो चेंज. सो इथे राईट इट डाऊन दॅट दिस इज अ मिस्टेक आणि द आन्सर इज ग्रेट ग्रँड डॉटर. आज आपण ना सगळे सॉल्व्ड एक्झाम्पल्सच करू म्हणजे काय सगळं एकदा क्लिअर होऊन जाईल आणि मग लेट अस गो टू द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वन. कारण इन द module, they have given you complicated questions as well. Okay, so now the sixth one. A and B are sisters, R and S are brothers. A's daughter is R's sister. आणि A's daughter is R's sister. म्हणजे ए कुठे प्लेस करणार इथे म्हणजे इथे वेगवेगळंच आहे. ओके म्हणजे ही सिस्टर झाली नाही पण हा ब्रदर दिलाय. ओके and A's daughter is R's sister. So A's daughter is R's sister. म्हणजे अजून एक डॉटर आहे म्हणजे ही आपण सर्कल मध्ये दाखवूया सिस्टर सर्कल मध्ये. ओके आणि आता क्वेश्चन काय विचारले व्हॉट इज बीज रिलेशन टू एस. व्हॉट इज बीज रिलेशन टू एस. मग एवढं काय अवघड आहे. ठीक आहे ना बी कोण आहे फिमेल आहे एस कोण आहे मेल आहे एवढं नक्की आहे आणि हे एक स्टेप वर आहेत म्हणजे आंट. बी इज आंट ऑफ एस. आत्या किंवा मामी आर बोथ आंट्स and even Maushi is also an aunt, but maternal. Okay, now let us go to the seventh. So basically ह्याच्यावर डायरेक्टली आपल्याला आन्सर येत आहे ना कळतंय ना डायरेक्टली. Okay, now the eighth sum. Given that A is the mother of B, C is the son of A, D is the brother of E is the daughter of B. अच्छा 7 है. हाँ बर 7th करा. First let us solve the 7. So please solve the next. सायली मॅम लाईव्ह लाईव्हचा असं काय होत आहे. हा इथे दिसतंय अडकलं असेल मॅम पण ते नंतर करता येतं. इथे चालू आहे पण मग आत्ता चालू झालं अडकतंय ते. अच्छा असं असतं लॅग येतो लॅग. करेक्ट. तेच आय वॉज वंडरिंग की असं का कारण काल अगं असंच झालं आणि एकदम थांबलं. 2.3
वॉर्निंग होती सजेशन the audio stream's current bit rate is lower than the recommended bit rate.
Okay, bit rate.
Recommend that you use an audio stream bit rate of 128 kbps.
अच्छा ते काय शक्य नसतं.
आणि ते पण बघा पहिले स्ट्रीम सेटिंग्स मध्ये काय सांगितलं आणि अनालिटिक्स मध्ये तो गुड म्हणला स्ट्रीम हेल्थ
हो
कुठला तरी गुड म्हणला.
एक्सलंट कनेक्शन मगाशी म्हणला होता.
इथे स्ट्रीम सेटच गुड आहे म्हणजे स्ट्रीमिंग
व्यवस्थित चालेल.
आणि हे पण बोलते कधी कधी काही
कोणी पण हा नाही मी तर काय फार लक्ष देतच नसते ते इथेच शिकवताना जास्त मी लक्ष अगं काही पण बोलतात
माहितीये ना. ऑडिओ ऑडिओ तुम्ही बघितलं काय? म्हणजे ते
ऑडिओ इज परफेक्ट. चला ओके नाव आलं का पुढचं. शाबास व्हेरी गुड. चला आता पुढचं करा. 7 आपण 8वं करूया. A is the mother of B. A is the mother of C is the son of A. C हा A चा सन आहे. D is the brother of E and E is the daughter of B. E is the daughter of B दिलाय आणि कोण काय दिलंय. D is the brother of E. And E is the daughter of B झालं. So who is the grandmother of D? A is the grandmother of D. डायग्रामच करा कारण काय ना आत्ता very less smaller information is given to you, but later the information will increase. That time the diagram will also increase. So practice with this method so that it will help you. Okay? चलो अब ये 9th वाला question. A is B's brother, B is B's father, B and C are sisters. So how is A related to C? Daughters. So A is the uncle of C. येतंय का बघा अंकल. आता 11th सम ते करायचं तुम्ही. मी चेक करणार आहे. नाही आलं तरच आता मी सांगणार. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 सगळे करा. I will check. हमारा अकाउंट तो क्या हो जाएगा. हमारा भी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा. My first love is that. आपण शिकवतो. गुड. करा करा एफर्ट. आणि हे बघा सेल्फ कन्फ्युज नाही व्हायचं. मला तुम्हाला पण येत आहे पण मध्येच ना तुम्ही कन्फ्युज होता असं माझ्या लक्षात आलं. तसं जसं येईल तसं येईल. मी चेक करतो. Okay, so anyone has any doubt? If you have any doubt, let me know. We will solve it together. Govardhan, कुठलं करायचंय? कर. Any doubt, anyone? 14th and 15th? Okay. Let us solve it together. 14th and 15th. 13 पण सांगू. C is the wife of B. चला, C is the wife of B. So मला सांगा C कुठे काढू? आणि डबल आरो. वा, पण तरी मला आधी ड्रॉ करून बघू रे तुझं करेक्ट आहे का नाही, नाही का? सी इज द वाईफ ऑफ बी. ओके, सी बी. हा, नाव ई इज द सन ऑफ सी. आणि ए इज द ब्रदर ऑफ बी अँड फादर ऑफ बी. सो ए इज द ब्रदर ऑफ बी and father of B. आणि what is the relationship between E and D? Cousins. Correct. Perfect. Good. This is sum number 13 from the module. Solved example from the module. Now the 14th one. गोवर्धन थोडा कन्फ्यूज होतोय का? सेल्फ कन्फ्यूज होतोय आणि ते आय कॅन सी इट. हे बघ, ह्याचं ना थोडंसं प्रॅक्टिस केलं ना की तुला येईल अंदाज. इतकं पण अवघड नाहीये. मॅक्सिमम स्टुडंट्सना हे इझी जातं करायला. एम इज द सन ऑफ टी. हे आलं, एम इज द सन ऑफ टी. ओके, डू इट. 14. नहीं आया? यू आर ऑन विच वन देन? 14. सो एम इज द सन ऑफ टी. एम हा पीचा सन. Q is the granddaughter of O, who is the husband of P. O, na? No. Q is the granddaughter of O, who is the husband. So O and P, they are husband and wife. And Q is the granddaughter of P. So O की granddaughter is Q ना. So इथे कोणीतरी असायला पाहिजे मध्ये. How is M related to O? Tell me, how is M related to O? What will be the answer? M related to O, son. Next, 15th. X and Y are brothers. X and Y are brothers. X and Y are brothers. R is the father of Y. S is the brother of T, पण T आपल्याला दिलेलाच नाहीये. आणि मॅटर्नल अंकल ऑफ X. So S is maternal uncle of X. Correct. And S is the brother of T. So T is somewhere over here. What is T to R? They are brother. नाही त्यांनी दिला T is the wife of R. नाही हा. Yes, T is the wife of R. So here again, mention केलाय का? T is the wife of R. म्हणजे हे दोघं असे रिलेटेड आहेत ना, स्पाउस ना. Okay, now let us start with the exercise 10A from the module. Chala. So now A is B's brother, C is A's mother, D is C's father, and E is B's son. So how is B related to A? Exercise 10A है ना? 12A. So we are starting with exercise 12A, the first sum. असा आला का डायग्राम? Answer is grandfather. D is grandfather of A. Second question. चलो जल्दी जल्दी करते हैं. So B is dash of E. B is the question का विचारला त्यांनी? एकच मिनिट हा. How is B related to E? B is the granddaughter of E. Option? हाँ, option B. Not great. हाँ, granddaughter. हाँ, great. Not great grand. Granddaughter. A is the correct option. Now let us go to the third one. How are D and E related? How are B and E related? B and E. Now A is B's sister. Okay. So A is B's sister. Whose mother is C. Dot. Whose mother is E. So what is the relation between A and D? So tell me, what is the relation between A and D? Granddaughter of D. A is the granddaughter of D. Correct? Please write along with me so that तुम्हाला सोपं जाईल. Draw the diagrams along with me. Now fourth one I'll draw over here. A is the father of B. C ही daughter है. E son. So relationship between C and E. Relationship between C and E. Niece. काकाची मुलगी. Niece. And B and C, B and E are brothers. So answer is niece for the fourth one. Niece for the fourth one. Now the fifth one from the module. P and Q. Q is a sister. R is the mother. And R is also the mother of S. So who is R in relation to P? काकाचा मुलगा किंवा मुलगी इज नीस आणि मुलगा इज नेक्स्ट. काकाची मुलगी इज नीस आणि मुलगा इज नेक्स्ट. मदर इन लॉ. Correct. R is the mother-in-law of P. For the fifth one, that is correct. Now let us do the sixth one. Mother-in-law. P and Q are brothers. R and S are sisters. P's son is the brother of R. P's son is the brother of R. So Q and R चा काय? What is the relation between Q and R? So Q is the uncle of R. Q is the uncle of R. Correct, na? Now the seventh one. So N is granddaughter of Y. N is granddaughter of Y. N is granddaughter of Y. That is the answer for the seventh one. Now eighth one. A reads a book and finds the name of the author familiar. Author B is the paternal uncle of C, who is the daughter of A. How is B related to A? So, A, B are brothers, and C is the daughter of A. So, what is the relationship between these two? Paternal uncle. Correct now? So, B is going to be brother of A. Answer is brother. Brothers. A and B are brothers. म्हणूनच he is the C चा paternal uncle is B. खूप पुढे गेले का? मी खूप पुढे गेले का? हां बर करा. 7th आणि 8th करा, then we will solve the 9th question. 6th पण बघायचं का? स्पीड अप गाइस, स्पीड अप. आपल्याला खूप करायचं आहे. इन्क्रीज युअर स्पीड. हाँ, is the 8th one done? Let us solve the 9th one together. झालं? मी काका. झालं? 5th is done, 6th is done, 7th आणि 8th आहे. आता let us do the 9th one. B's gender is not given to us. So A ची mother I've just shown with a circle. It's a sister of B. हाँ आणि B ची daughter दिलेली आहे as C. So what is the relation between B आणि C असं विचारलं. So हा मामा असणार. B will be mama of C. Correct? And mama in English is uncle only. So it is a maternal uncle. B is the maternal uncle of C. That is the answer. Okay, now the 10th one is very interesting. I want all of you to solve it first, and then we will discuss the answer.